Thank you for choosing Salmon HVAC to help with your heating and cooling needs. Our kind and professional team will spend the time to keep you informed throughout the repair process with no surprises. We will explain your options with fair prices while working efficiently and keeping your home clean. Your Salmon HVAC tech will be there soon for your service. Someone will need to be there who can let them inside, authorize repair decisions, and provide payment upon completion. You will be contacted 15 minutes before they arrive at your home. When your tech arrives, they will take the time to talk with you. This is because we want to understand concerns you may have and answer any questions before getting started. We will then diagnose the problem and create a price estimate for the repair. We need your approval and signature before doing any repairs. Your technician may have to leave to get the right material to properly fix your equipment. Once the repair is complete, we will evaluate the system to ensure it is working properly. If additional work is needed, the technician will explain your options. Once the repairs are complete, our tech will let you know and provide any recommendations to keep your equipment running smoothly. We will then take payment, and you will receive a receipt and summary of the work we provided. Also, if you are interested in improving the air quality of your home and lowering your energy costs, let us know, and we will be happy to explain your options. Thank you for trusting Salmon HVAC. You'll be glad you did.